I'm Chris Fenton with the Fenton Group, and I'm here today at the beautiful Harbor Quay to give you a real estate market update for June 2022. And what can I say about this real estate market? I think the big word is change. It's changing. We're hearing this on the news. The interest rates have been going up. The mortgage rates have been going up. Here in the Alberni Valley, the market has begun to slow a little bit in terms of sales, but nothing too significant at this point. So let's take a look at the stats. The first statistics that I'm going to look through is year to date, which is, in this case, is January 1st to May 31st for the greater Alberni Valley. So that's Beaver Creek, Cherry Creek, Sprout Lake, and the city of Port Alberni. And for single family houses, and I've excluded waterfront houses. So year to date, there's been 303 new listings come on the market, which is up significantly from the 232 posted in the same time frame last year in 2021. Interestingly, sales have been pretty steady. There's been 176 sales so far this year compared to 186 last year. The average sale price this year has been $646,018, up considerably from the $483,442 posted last year. And homes this year have actually been selling above asking price more so than last year. This year, homes on average have been selling at 102.1% of the asking price, compared to just 0.9% above the asking price last year. And days on the market have remained almost identical at 27 last year and 26 this year. So that's year to date. What I think is more interesting is the snapshot in time of this past month, May, when we compare it to the month prior, April, for Port Alberni. So in May this year, there were 64 new listings come on the market for single family homes compared to 67 last month in April. So relatively similar again, but sales are down significantly. 35 sales in May compared to 53 last year. And I think that's the biggest change that we're seeing. The average sale price was $605,038 this year compared to $626,358 last year. So a decrease in average sale price. It is too soon and the sample size is too small to really say that that's an actual drop in the average sale price. It could just be that because we're looking at 1 month at a time, that the numbers are a little bit skewed. We'll have to wait and see. The average home sold 0.7% above the asking price in May and 0.6% above the asking price in April. So relatively similar. So what do I make of these stats? Well, what I make from these stats is that it's really interesting that in May, we're seeing a pretty significant decline in the number of homes sold. It's only a month, so it's too soon to know if that's a trend or not, but it's certainly of interest. And at the same time, the average days on the market has gone up about 10 days. I'm Chris Fenton with LePage, Pacific Rim Realty, the Fenton Group. This has been your real estate market update for Port Alberni for June 2022. If you want to get future market updates, be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or hit that subscribe button on YouTube. We'll see you next month.